Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to send HBAR from Binance to Hashpack. Alright, so first off, open up your Binance application. So once you've opened up the centralized exchange, head to the wallet section at the bottom right. So scroll from the overview to your spot or funding, depending on where your HBAR tokens are stored. So once you've located your HBAR, click on withdraw and then use the search icon to simply search for HBAR, which stands for the Hedera hash graph. So click on HBAR, click on send via crypto network. You're asked to provide an address. The network has been set automatically, and then you're asked to also provide the memo, and the minimum withdrawal amount is 2, and you have a network fee of 0.1. All right, so simply minimize and open up your Hashpack mobile application. That's the wallet. Open up the Hashpack wallet, click on the receive at the bottom of the screen, and then proceed to click on copy address to clipboard. Now you're asked to provide either a checksum or a no checksum wallet address. So in this tutorial video, we'll be going with a no checksum address. Minimize and then open up Binance, paste the address here, and then the memo is not required for this transaction. As you saw, there was no memo required. Now all you need to do is enter an amount of HBAR you wish to send and then simply click on withdraw. By doing this, you successfully sent your HBAR tokens from Binance over to the Hashpack mobile wallet, and all you need to do here is simply reload and you'd find your HBAR tokens on your wallet. So guys, that's how it's done. Comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.